Hey, Christopher Thunder here with the World's Dirtiest Workshop. Today we're going to do another video short that is too short. Today we're going to talk about your center stand. And you probably wonder what this red thing is. That is a polymer band. That is not a rubber band. That is a polymer band. It looks like a rubber band. It functions like a rubber band, but it's not made of natural rubber. It will last a lot longer in UV radiation and bright sun than a rubber band, and it's quite useful. Now, if you're riding off-road like me, and you can see I got dirt all over the place, you need to tie up your center stand. You can also tie it up with a rubber-coated wire tie like this one. They're really nice. You can just wrap it around and twist it together, and that'll hold up your center stand. Why would you use this and that and not, just really wire it up super tight? And the answer is well, as your bike bounces, the center stand moves. It actually makes contact with the dog bones underneath. So you don't want anything solid here. You want something that flexes and moves. So use something like this, but not too tight, or something like this. Your center stand will flex and move, and if you're doing any jumping like me, you won't break anything, like your dog bones underneath. Thank you again from the World's Dirtiest Workshop. This is Christopher Thunder and Rider of the Storm. Have a great day. Bye-bye.